Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something really important when it comes to search functionality in websites, especially those built using advanced custom fields, ACF, and WordPress. Have you ever wondered how to return the ACF field name or label along with the content in search results well? Wonder no more, because that's exactly what we'll be covering in this video. When building a website, providing users with accurate and relevant search results is crucial for their overall experience. Sometimes simply showing the content isn't enough. You might also want to display where that content came from or what it represents. This is especially true when dealing with custom fields created using ACFF, as they often contain specific data that needs context to be useful. In this video, we'll walk through why returning field names or labels alongside content in search results matters, and how you can achieve this in your project. By the end of this discussion, you should have a solid understanding of not just the importance, but also the steps involved in enhancing your website's search functionality with ACF Field. Let's start by considering why we might want to return field names or labels with our content. Well, imagine you're on an e-commerce site and you search for a product, but instead of just seeing the product name and description, you also see details like product code or manufacturer. This additional context can greatly enhance your understanding and experience. To achieve this with ACF fields in WordPress involves understanding how ACF stores its data and how WordPress's search functionality works. Essentially, when a user performs a search, WordPress queries the database looking for matches. By default, it searches through post titles, content, and excerpts. However, to include custom field values in these searches, we need to extend this functionality. One approach is to use the post where and post join filters in WordPress to modify the CQL query that's executed during a search. This allows us to join the ACF fields table into our query so that its data can also be searched. Then, by using posts columns, we can specify what columns should be returned in our results, including not just post content, but also specific ACF field values. However, simply getting the data is only part of the challenge. Presenting it meaningfully to users is equally important. This involves displaying not just the value of a custom field, but also its name or label, providing context that enhances user understanding. An analogy might help clarify this. Think of your website's content as a filing cabinet, and each piece of content, a post, as a folder in that cabinet. The ACF fields are like specific documents within those folders. When someone searches for something, you're not just looking for the folder. You also want to know what specific document within that folder matches their search. Returning both the folder information, post title content, and the specific document details, ACF field values along with their names or labels, makes your search results much more useful. Returning ACF field names or labels alongside content in search results is crucial for providing context and enhancing user experience. This involves extending WordPress's default search functionality to include custom fields, typically through the use of filters like post join. Presenting both the value and name label of a custom field can significantly improve how useful your search results are to users. That's it for today's video on returning ACF field names or labels along with content in search results. Hopefully, this explanation has not only clarified why this is important, but also given you a solid foundation on how to achieve this in your own project. If you have any questions about the process or any other topic related to WordPress and custom fields, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please like it to help others find it more easily. and consider subscribing for more content on web development and related topics. We're always working on new videos to help you enhance your skills and build better websites. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing what you create.